This week we will decide who reaches the final.
I practiced every night for this.
Eva, let's see your jump.
Okay, here I go. Go, Eva. Wow,
Very nice. You have real grace.
that was amazing.
She's skating beautifully.
Of course.
What's wrong?
Everybody notices her.
Yeah, because she's skating very well.
I know. But I am tired of losing attention.
The final is next week.
I know. And I will win.
Wow, Eva is amazing.
Ben,
Yes?
come here.
Okay.
Look at this.
What is it?
A new pair of skates.
Wow.
Do you like them?
Of course I do.
Good. I can buy them for you?
Really?
Yes,
Why would you do that?
because I need your help.
What kind of help?
Just one small thing.
What is it?
Eva's skate.
What about it?
Just loosen one screw on the blade.
No.
Why not?
She could get hurt.
She will be fine. Skaters fall all the time.
I do not like this.
Tomorrow those skates can be yours. Well,
Okay.
good.
It's just one screw. Nobody will get hurt. Probably.
Welcome to the semifinal competition.
Go, Eva.
Take a deep breath.
Okay,
Trust yourself.
I will.
Next skater, Eva Miller.
I can do this.
This is my day.
Please be okay.
She looks amazing.
Good.
Very graceful.
Beautiful movement.
Excellent balance.
She's doing great.
That's it.
Come on, Eva.
She may reach the final.
No.
One more jump.
Oh no.
You can do it.
Go. I am ready.
Oh no!
Eva,
Stop the music.
What have I done?
Eva, can you stand?
That fall may end her chance.
my skate. It was fine before.
Next skater, Sophia Laurent. I have worked too hard for this. Today, I will win. Beautiful skating skills.
Very confident performance.
She looks unbeatable today. Thank you for attending today's competition. Have a safe trip home.
I worked so hard.
I know.
Why did this happen? Eva, maybe my dream is over. I do not want to go home. I need some time alone.
Do not give up yet.
I'm sorry that happened. But that's competition. Some days, everything works. Some days, it doesn't. You'll have another chance.
I don't know what to do anymore. Why did this happen? I was so close.
That was a hard fall.
Who are you?
Just an old skater.
I lost everything today.
Did you?
I lost my chance.
No, you fell.
What is the difference?
Falling is not the same as losing. Look at these pictures.
Wait, that is you,
Yes,
the Ice Queen, the world champion.
a long time ago.
I watched your videos.
Then you know my story.
You were amazing.
And then I got hurt. My career ended in one moment.
How did you survive that?
It was not easy. For a long time I was angry. Then I learned something important.
What did you learn?
People remember how you make them feel, not medals, not scores.
I am afraid now.
That is okay.
It is?
Of course. If you are afraid, it means you care.
I do not trust myself anymore.
Then stop thinking about the competition.
What should I think about?
Show me how you skate when nobody is watching.
I cannot.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Relax. Do not fight the ice. Trust your heart.
Like this?
Better.
Oh! I almost fell again.
But you did not stop.
No.
Good. That is real courage.
I want to skate again.
Then skate. Your story is not over yet.
I cannot do this anymore. Eva trusted me, and I hurt her.
Ben, I have something for you.
What is it?
The skates.
I do not want them anymore.
Oh, why not?
Because of what happened to Eva.
It was one fall.
No, it was my fault.
Stop thinking about it.
I cannot.
You already made your choice.
Maybe, but I can still tell the truth.
Do not do that.
I have to.
We are here to discuss yesterday's accident.
Please wait.
Yes?
I need to say something.
Ben? What is going on?
Eva did not fall by accident.
What?
What do you mean?
I loosened the screw on her skate blade.
You did what?
I am sorry. I am so sorry.
Why did you do it?
Because Sophia asked me to.
No.
She promised me new skates.
He's lying?
No, I am not. I made a terrible mistake. But I am telling the truth now.
Sophia, is this true?
I just wanted to win.
By hurting Eva?
Everybody notices her. Nobody notices me anymore.
That is not Eva's fault.
This is very serious. The semifinal result is canceled. Eva will advance to the final.
What happened was not her fault. Sophia may be disqualified.
Please do not do that.
It was my fault too. I hurt Eva.
Eva, do you want to say something?
Yes. Please do not punish Ben too harshly.
What? Why?
Because you told the truth.
But I hurt you.
I know. But you came forward. That matters.
Eva.
And what about Sophia?
I do not want her disqualified.
Are you sure?
Why?
Because I do not want to win like this. I want to skate against you. Fairly.
You still want to compete against her?
Yes. I want to show who I am on the ice.
Good. That is the heart of a champion.
After everything I did,
I am not doing this for you.
then why?
Because this is who I want to be.
I am sorry, Eva.
I know.
Really sorry.
Then learn from it.
I will.
Very well. The final will go ahead as planned.
The final begins tomorrow.
Eva.
See you on the ice.
Welcome to the National Figure Skating Final.
This is it.
Next skater, Sophia Laurent.
I have to win. I have to.
Strong opening. Very clean.
She looks nervous.
Focus. No.
A small mistake. Thank you, Sophia.
Was it enough?
How do you feel?
I'm nervous.
Good. It means you care.
Next skater, Eva Miller.
Remember, do not skate to defeat Sophia. Skate to express yourself.
I will. Go, Eva.
Trust yourself.
Trust your heart.
Trust my heart.
Beautiful.
very graceful.
She looks different today.
Yes. She is skating freely.
I am not afraid.
Excellent jump.
That was amazing.
Beautiful landing.
One more jump.
You can do it!
Show them who you are.
This is my dream.
Incredible. Absolutely incredible. She's telling a story on the ice.
She did it!
Not yet.
The final score is a perfect score.
Eva! Oh, I did it! Unbelievable.
She was better today.
No,
What?
you were both amazing. But Eva never gave up.
The winner of the National Figure Skating Championship is Eva Miller.
I can't believe it.
You earned this.
No, she earned it herself.
You did it! Thank you.
I am sorry, Eva.
I know.
I will do better.
Good.
I'm sorry too.
Then let's move forward.
Okay.
How do you feel now?
Happy
Only happy?
and grateful.
Good answer.
You gave me hope.
No, you found it yourself.
Thank you for watching my story. If you fall, do not give up. Falling is not the same as losing. See you next time.